Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you guys how to change countries in Tinder. If you are dreaming of matches across the globe, let's take your Tinder to Paris or anywhere you want. So in order to do that, first open the Tinder app on your mobile device, then tap on the profile section on the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open your personal profile section from where you can update and change your personal details. Then tap on the settings icon on the top right corner of the screen. Then scroll down until you see locations. Before going any further, you guys need to make sure that you guys bought the premium version of Tinder because changing the location actually doesn't work in the free version. So if you guys have the premium version, tap on add a new location, then tap on add new location. So from here, you can select any location you want, and after you're done, simply tap on done. So if this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below if there is anything else I can help you guys with. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.